Hello everyone. In the previous classes we studied about electrical distribution system. What are the topics chapter wise? And now we go for power system operation and control for fourth year, first semester, EEE. Power system operation and control. Let us see what is this subject. Power system, what is the operation and control. Suppose two power plants are there. Two power plants, how to control? Hydro power plant and thermal power plant, two power plants. What are the techniques available to control two power system power plants like that? Let us see the syllabus. This is the syllabus regarding power system operation and control. The main objective of power system operation and control is optimum generation allocation. That means the power cost, the unit cost will be reduces when you optimally allocated the power plants. Power plants are optimally allocated in the sense పవర్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఆపరేట్ చేస్తే మనకు మ్యాక్సిమం రన్నింగ్ కాస్ట్ తగ్గుతుంది ప్లస్ ఓవరాల్ కాస్ట్ తగ్గుతుంది. లైక్ దట్ హైడ్రో థర్మల్ షెడ్యూలింగ్, hydro power plant and thermal power plant nowadays we are using both. How to control, how hydrothermal scheduling will be happen, all this will be there, and modeling of turbines and generators, load frequency control, LFC control in single area and two area systems, and reactive power compensation in power system. This is the syllabus. This syllabus already included in EDS, electrical distribution system, as well as HVDC also, reactive power compensation. EADM also will be there. This is the same topic. Power system operation in competitive environment. How to operate power system in global competitive environment. Coming to unit 1, economic operation. In this unit 1 we are studying the basic terms and definitions of power system operation and control. What are the heat rate curve, cost curve, heat place measure role, cost, incremental fuel and production cost, input output characteristics, optimum generation allocation with line losses neglected. అంటే యూనిట్ 1లో ఫైన్ బేసిక్స్ అన్ని వస్తాయి పవర్ సిస్టమ్ ఆపరేషన్ కంట్రోల్. It is very simple subject, you can easily understand and follow regularly. Optimum generation allocation including effect of transmission line losses, the loss coefficients. Based on this chapter, remaining second and third unit will be there. Hence unit 1 is very important to understand. Okay, that is unit 1, economic operation of power plants. In this we are studying the various definitions. Those are very helpful for predetermining or determining the cost, heat rate curve and losses, all this. Unit 2, hydrothermal scheduling. Hydrothermal scheduling, optimal scheduling of hydro power plant, hydro and the thermal power plant. We have two power plants, assume that hydro power plant and thermal power plant. Hydro utilizes water, whereas thermal power plant, coal is the source. From the coal we are producing electrical energy. Then hydroelectric power plant is running cost will be low because water is abundant of water is available during rainy seasons or in power plants, whereas thermal power plant cost will be high. How to schedule, that will be studied in unit 2. Coming to unit 3, load frequency control. What is the frequency has to be maintained constant. That is the important thing in power plant generation. If the frequency is double or triple or 5 times, that is harmonics will be produced. Those harmonics destructs the equipment. Like that, load frequency control will be studied in unit 3. Almost reactive power control unit 4. Almost unit 4, 5. It is very simple subject, power system operation and control, and you can gain more marks. And this is a totally derivative part will be there. High load frequency control, isolated power system, steady state analysis, like that. Totally the unit 4 we can easily learn what are the different types of compensating power factor correction, how how to correct power factor, shunt compensation, series compensation, load compensation, specifications of load compensator, like that. Power factor, reactive power control in the sense power factor correction. Unit 5 is power system operation in commutative environment. Some models, independent system operator on power exchange, market operations, according to market cost, how to use, all this will be the unit 5. Further, you have to subscribe and press bell icon. Then don't forget to like. Thank you.